Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk you through how I make stew peas with rice. It's a traditional Jamaican Caribbean dish. It's really yummy and wholesome. It's vegan as well and it fills you up. So stay tuned to see how I get on. So you'll need 2 cans of kidney beans, 1 can of chopped tomatoes, 1 can of coconut milk, 1 teaspoon of coarse black pepper, 2 teaspoons of seasoned oil, 1 teaspoon of pimento seeds, 3 spring onions, 4 cloves of garlic, a few sprigs of thyme, 1 bell pepper, 1 scotch bonnet and 1 teaspoon of browning. So I'm going to finely chop the spring onions, the garlic and the onions. So I'm going to seed out the bell pepper and I'm going to also finely chop these as well, just to help when frying to make it soften quicker. Also, I don't want any big lumps in the stew. So I'm going to add around 1 tablespoon of oil to the pot and add my onions and the garlic. And I'm going to let it simmer for 3 minutes so it can soften. I'm then going to also add the peppers and do the same. I'm going to add the coarse black pepper and the seasoned oil. The seasoned oil acts like salt, which gives it a little extra flavour. I've also added the thyme. I'm going to mix it up and let it simmer for a few minutes. Then I'm going to add the chopped tomatoes. Normally I would use fresh tomatoes, but you know, because it's quarantine, we just got to live with the chopped canned life. I'm also going to add 2 cans of kidney beans, and yes, I've used the water that's in the can, and this is just to give the stew some like liquid. And then I'm going to mix it all up. I'm going to keep it on a medium heat so it can boil. I'm going to also add the coconut milk. As you can see, the coconut milk gives the stew a nice creamy consistency. And then I'm going to add the pimento seeds. If you don't have pimento seeds, you can just use ground pimento. I've also added the scotch bonnet. As you can see, I haven't chopped the scotch bonnet because I don't want the dish to be too spicy. And then I'm going to let this simmer. Now on making the dumplings. I haven't got exact measurements on how to make the dumplings, but I'll just gauge it. You'll need plain flour, water and salt. So as you can see, it's a process of adding water, adding flour to get a nice doughy consistency. I'll add a pinch of salt as well. Once you've got a nice dough consistency, you're going to knead the dough to form your dumplings. As you can see, I am rolling up the dough into small sections, and these will be my dumplings. I'll add the dumplings into the stew, trying to not make them touch as they can stick together. You can see the stew and the dumplings have formed nicely. Be careful when stirring, as you don't want to pop the scotch bonnet unless you want your dish to be spicy. I now add the browning, which will enhance the flavour of the stew and give it a nice darkened colour. And here you have it. Here's my stew peas with rice. I hope you like this video, and I hope you like the meal that you're going to make as well. See you next time.